Hi everyone, I'm Josh from Brilliant Labs. In our Obstacle Aversion mission, you have 3 different ways that you can get points. The first and easiest is to use either your IR sensor or ultrasonic sensor, depending on which kit you have, in order to report the distance from your rover to any object that's on Mars, from any location on Mars, for a simple 5 points. If you're able to demonstrate some sort of obstacle aversion, and this could mean perhaps that if your rover is about to run into an object and you have code that is continuously checking for this and stopping the rover from doing it, you can receive an additional 10 points. Finally, if you're able to demonstrate some sort of artificial intelligence in your rover, and this could come in the form of perhaps not only detecting if you're going to run into something, but also having it automatically go around the object. So perhaps you lose Wi-Fi connection momentarily and your rover is able to navigate around something, or maybe it's even that you want to have your rover be able to navigate from one spot to another automatically. If you can demonstrate any of these, and your code will need to be submitted for verification, you receive an additional 20 points. So completing all 3 of these would give you 32 points in total. For more information on our other missions, be sure to check out our other videos.